happy that my family's here. We're at the Chinese Theater in Hollywood. He's taking out the poster right now. I'm excited about that. It's upside down. Okay. Anyway, we're here. Running a little bit late, so there's a little bit of pressure for me to get there. People are already calling me. I gotta take this call. All right, let's go.
Bueno, sí. Camina. Rico, rico, rico.
That's my lead actor.
Nice, nice.
Hey, Anderson, you act like you've done one of these before.
Mi salsa ahora, mi salsa para bailar, este ritmo tan sabroso, el ritmo para guarachar. Yo te canto con sentimiento y manana te lo voy a dar. Muévese con sabrosura, abre la ventana para respirar. Mi salsa buena, abre la ventana. Yo te traigo la salsa buena. Estamos gozando ahí nada más, qué rico está.
Yeah, man, just trying to get everybody in. Really excited and nervous. All right, here it is. Here's my movie, Como Tú. And I'm really excited. Everybody's already seated. And this is actually one of the organizers of the event. She's like she's the one that let me be here. So I really appreciate it.
Head of narrative short film programming.
Yeah, so thanks to her, I'm here, and I'm super honored. My whole family's in there. We're super emotional, and I don't even know what to say. Thank you so much for making me be a part of this. I appreciate it.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for being an important part of the Dancing with Films community.
I appreciate it, and all the films are so good. I'm
Thank you.
super excited. Thank you.
I'll see you in there.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Let's go.
Tiene el botellazo, cabrón. Para ayudarle, para usted. ¿De quién es la bici? ¿De quién son las...
To our final narrative shorts block of Dances with Films 27. I'm Lindsay Smith-Sands. I am head of narrative short film programming and a senior producer here. I would like to invite our filmmakers to please join me up in the front for a brief Q&A. As they are making their way down here, I'm going to give my spiel about how our audience award voting works. So, each of those films you just watched is eligible for an audience award. You're going to want to point your mobile device towards that giant QR code and then type in the voter ID that you were given as you arrived, if you arrived on time. And then please vote for each film that you watched. If you do not vote for it...
I'm Eddie Martin. I'm the writer-director of Como Tú.
Raul or Julio?
That's a good question. Well, to give a little bit of history of this film and why this film is what it is I took a mixture of my parents, my dad's story of him growing up and the stories he would tell me when I was a kid, and I would just imagine it. And this is how I imagined his upbringing to be. He told me about his uncle and how he was, I don't know who was a bad influence, but he would say that his uncle was a bad influence. And that he would take him out and he would want to go meet girls, and he was always getting in trouble, but because he was there, he was the one kind of also getting in trouble, right? Eres con quien te juntas, you are who you hang out with, or you are who your friends are. When, going back to your question, there's so much of me in both of them. Because I'm still a mommy's boy. She's probably holding all my things right now. And Julio was a kid who was really sheltered and was so eager to learn about the world and to find somebody, a mentor or somebody to look up to. And just, his dad abandoned him, right? So anybody that was willing to kind of guide him was gonna be his hero.
You're bilingual. Was it important to you that this film be in Spanish? Would it have been a different film in English?
That was another really good question, because I asked so many filmmakers, right? Look, I'm trying to make, this whole film is just to try and find somebody to help me, right? Find a producer, find a writer, find cinematographers. I want to make a good film. I said, do you think if I make it in Spanish, that's gonna shut my doors? Do you think it's gonna affect how many festivals I get into? Am I gonna get into dances with films? And they said, and I think it was Fabian who's in the audience, he said, look, if you imagine it in Spanish, make it in Spanish. And that's all I needed. I said, all right, well, I just imagine it in Spanish.
And let's talk about the Valley Hearts Delight. This is a period piece. What is it about that inspired you?
Oh my god, it was so amazing. The fact that it's in Spanish and it's in a English festival, it's good.
Sergio, hey. So we have two people working for Eddie, basically. You know what I mean? Always. Huh?
So proud of you, Eddie. I'm so happy to be here for you.
Me too.
Only a favorite. Oh, baby. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. Ready? 1,